fishy. Yeah, they don't seem to plant 6 inches anymore, do they?
No.
They plant some nice ones.
Right down below and with a spear. A pitchfork. That's what I would have
Yeah, it's good stuff there, huh?
Right, so Highway 120 meets 140. Time to keep going, folks. So these fish are for people to catch right now. They're pretty big. Yeah. Pretty good, boy.
Oh, probably a little bit. Well, I know where I'm putting my pole right now.